Good morning, dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. Now today 3 more spelling of birds. What is this? Birds. B-I-R-D-S. 3 more spelling of birds. So title will be B-I-R-D-S, birds. First spelling we will learn, that is pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Second is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And third is sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Okay, so we'll start writing the spelling. We have to speak and we have to write as we are doing. What is this? P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Like this way. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. The third spelling is of sparrow. What is it? Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Like this way you have to write down in your notebook with good handwriting. I am going to send you the photo of the same. So you have to write down the same in your notebook. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.